Okay, Kyotechs offer you the full lift hydraulic, and we will keep the stock in good price for commercial. Let me see the commercial, the fuel, the pump for PC 200 DX8, 300 DX8, 400 DX8, and 70 DX8, and also for control valve for commercial. This I have the commercial genuine, and we will keep the stock. Okay. This one is the Volvo X2A UX32 for EC210 and EC290 330, and also this is a control valve. This for the Sunny GM-A5. Okay. And we see this one for the Sunny control valve. Okay, this one is the Sunny 4A5 GM-A5, and this one PC 400 X7, X8, and X10. It's the same. Okay, this one is a Sunny version, PM40 and PM40. Okay, and also this for Cobelco SK200 X8 for Nebotexco and the GM38. It's also the MAG Doosan. This is genuine Korea, and this is a Korea pump, and also have the small control valve. Okay, and this is the Nebotexco and wristlock, and we have the inner stock. Okay, and also for this one, for XCMG on the stock for hydraulic. It's also, and also have the XCMG.